Hey guys, it's Tia. Welcome back to Chilling with Chops. Today is the long-awaited beach vlog. Me and my friends went to the beach after exams and oh my god, it was such a fun day. You're about to see it. It's because I forgot to obviously do an intro and outro. Before the first clip that you're going to see though, quick story time. I'd packed for the beach day before we went, and the day of, me and Sunshine are ready to leave in about 5 minutes, and Kirtana FaceTimes me saying,
"What shall I wear? What do I need to pack?"
Bearing in mind we're catching a train, right?
I'm obviously very stressed, which is why I forget to do my vlog. I'm like,
wear that right now, pack this, pack that, go, run, la, la, la.
Because she was going to come to us for us all to get the train. So obviously she's just getting ready and stuff for the beach that we need to leave in 2 minutes now. And she's like, you guys walk to us to get an Uber.
An Uber?
Bearing in mind, it literally takes like 10 minutes to walk. The boys ring us, where are you? We're like in an Uber and they're like, oh my god, why are you so lazy? And then Kirtana's laughing in her head off in the background and I'm like so stressed. I'm like,
this is all Kirtana's fault, la 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 la.
Long story short, we got on the train and enjoy the video. Guys, we made it on the train. Wow. Hey, let's go. Just about. Guys, not even at the beach yet, and we're literally already having a snack break. Hey!
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
Earlier.
Checked where? You still put the shoe.
I'm actually gambling. You actually please hold.
Here you got it, my guy.
Here you go.
Family day out. Catwalk.
Could you tell where? Stop. Look.
Stop.
Stop. Look. Could you tell where my head?
Perfect size. Did you? Oh. Guys, walking up sand is actually difficult. Help! I'm tired. What the helly? What the helly? Oh my god. Oh. So guys, we picked this space to be our designated beach space. Hey! Oh, you want the flower pot?
I need to be.
Wow!
Lay the foundations for this.
100%. You need to do your hand as well, just like that. There you go. Make a flat bit.
Make a nice home.
There you go.
Bang! Bang!
Okay, right.
Pat that down.
Pat.
And on the sides.
And on the sides.
That was horror. Okay. Not horror.
You want me to?
Hey. Cheers!
Are you going to do that?
Oh.
That's so cute.
Look at that phone.
Wow.
Come on.
Grind never stops. Reveal.
3, 2, 1.
Get up! Get
Oh. What was because of it wet.
Guys, have we cleared up the environment?
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. It's me. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Why did you say the exact same tone?
I did. You want a chicken tikka masala?
Oh, yo, look at this gang. That is too good.
Guys, clap.
Okay guys, so basically we just walked back. I don't even know why I didn't film anything else after that, but we just walked back, crashed out in our comms, and then called it a day because we were knackered. It was such a good day, such good vibes, such good friends, such good weather. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what else you want to see from me. Love you, bye.